A painting from the 16th century shows something impossible. A man holding what looks like a smartphone. A medieval manuscript depicts an object resembling a satellite. An ancient map outlines Antarctica centuries before it was officially discovered. Historians call these mistakes coincidences, misinterpretations. But what if they are none of those? What if they are messages it's left behind? Hidden in plain sight? What if time travelers have already been here, and history is quietly trying to tell us? History is not as clean as we pretend. It is fragmented, contradictory, full of gaps, and inside those gaps live anomalies, events that don't fit, objects that appear too early, knowledge that arrives before its time. We dismiss them because they threaten a comforting idea that the past is fixed. That cause always precedes effect. But what if time doesn't work the way we think? What if time travel exists, but not as loud disruptions? No dramatic arrivals, no broken timelines. Instead, subtle traces, artifacts placed carefully, details adjusted slightly, clues embedded where only future minds would notice, not to change history, but to mark it. Any advanced time traveler would understand one rule above all: do not be obvious. Large changes ripple, small ones whisper. So instead of altering events, they leave breadcrumbs. A symbol here, a sketch there, a design ahead of its era. Enough to be noticed, but only centuries later. When humanity is finally ready to ask the right questions, let's examine the record. In 1938, archaeologists discovered the Antikythera mechanism. A device over 2,000 years old, its complexity rivals 18th century clockwork. It calculates eclipses, tracks planetary motion. This level of engineering should not exist in ancient Greece. And yet, there it is. Was it lost knowledge or borrowed knowledge? The Peary race map, drawn in 1513, shows the coastline of Antarctica. No ice. Accurate proportions? This should be impossible. Antarctica wouldn't be discovered for another 300 years. Its ice wouldn't be fully understood until modern satellite imaging. So how did a 16th century admiral know who showed him? Throughout history, artists depict strange shapes in the sky. Discs, cylinders, objects emitting light. Modern viewers call them UFOs. Historians call them symbolic. But symbols usually follow cultural logic. These shapes don't. They resemble modern aircraft, satellites, drones. What if artists weren't imagining, but observing? Leonardo da Vinci sketched flying machines centuries before aviation. Submarines, parachutes, armored vehicles. Was he a genius? Undoubtedly. But genius still builds on available knowledge. Da Vinci's ideas leap too far ahead. What if he saw something? Or someone explained what was possible? Modern physics does not dismiss time travel outright. Einstein's equations allow closed time-like curves. Quantum mechanics suggests time may not be linear. Some interpretations propose all moments exist simultaneously. If time is a landscape, then travelers don't go back. They step sideways, and leaving clues becomes easier than changing outcomes. Modern physics does not dismiss time travel outright. Einstein's equations allow closed time-like curves. Quantum mechanics suggests time may not be linear. Some interpretations propose all moments exist simultaneously. If time is a landscape, then travelers don't go back. They step sideways. Leaving clues becomes easier than changing outcomes. Why not remain invisible? Because clues serve a purpose. They test us. A civilization that notices anomalies is curious. A civilization that investigates them is mature. A civilization that connects them is ready. Ready for what? Contact? Knowledge? Or responsibility? Step 1. Minimal interference. No wars altered. No kings replaced. Step 2. Embed knowledge in durable forms. Stone, paint, myth. Step 3. Ensure ambiguity. Enough to be debated. Never enough to prove. Step 4. Wait. Let time do the rest. The most unsettling detail is repetition. Different civilizations. Different continents. Same anomalies. Advanced tools appearing too early. Knowledge arriving out of sequence. Independent coincidence is unlikely. Patterns suggest design. If time travelers left clues, they would already know whether we found them. Which means we were meant to find them now, not earlier, not later. Now, at a time when we question reality itself, Fast radio bursts from deep space. Unexplained signals. Technology is advancing faster than predicted. What if we are becoming the anomaly? What if future humans are already watching us to see if we notice ourselves? If time travelers exist, they made a choice. It's not to save us, not to warn us, but to observe and to leave traces. That suggests a rule. Intervention is forbidden. Understanding must be earned. If time travelers exist, they made a choice. Not to save us, not to warn us, but to observe and to leave traces. That suggests a rule. Intervention is forbidden. Understanding must be earned. Maybe time travelers never announce themselves. Maybe they don't need to, because the real signal is not the clue itself. It's our reaction. Do we ignore it, dismiss it, or follow it? History may not be broken, it may be annotated. The annotations are waiting for minds sharp enough to read them. If anomalies are messages from the future, then one question remains. What are we leaving behind for those who come after us?